Breakthrough How to Guide launched, giving new information for people suffering from tooth decay and gum disease. This new report provides new solutions for the battle for optimum oral health. This guide offers a fresh perspective, no matter how much damage has already taken place or for how long. Take control of your oral health and dental issues now and read this accessible, easy-to-follow guide. How to protect your mouth from acidic infection, by getting to the real cause of tooth decay and gum disease. Find out more at www.spirit4living.com. Oral health.